Welcome to Fashion Design 101 Design Foundations. This is our lecture for week 2. This week our major focuses will be garment details and lots of color. In understanding the role of color, not only in clothing, but by its effects physical on the body and psychological, how it makes you feel as you wear it and how others perceive you in it. The textbook this week still is our Individuality in Clothing Selection and Personal Appearance. Much of what we read over these chapters is 1 and 2, and then the chapter over color. Our major projects in Design Foundations are ongoing. Week 2, we have a wiki. It is the assembly of pictures as examples for the things that you are learning. It's a digital notebook in a sense. And then your favorite designer research. You will select a designer this week and then create a slideshow telling us about that particular designer and writing a paper. Your assignments that are due this week will be your live lecture summary, a forum discussion to take part in. You need to post a discussion and then return back. If you were the first one to post yours, return back so that you can get on and make a response to one of your peers. The inspiration book in this class is at least 5 sketches, including your source of inspiration for that sketch. Your quiz for week 2, I have it open on Fridays. It will close on Saturday night. The wiki this week will concentrate on styles and garment details. There is a slideshow. It's actually split up into 2 sections because it was fairly long that talk about some different garment names or names of details in parts of the garments. The wiki is split up into the different pages. You'll have a page for tops and blouses, skirts, pants, shorts, sweater, dress, coat. These are just to name a few. There's actually 14 different pages, and you are to provide 3 different visual images and then accompany that with descriptions for each image, what in that image is portraying. If it's tops, give me what kind of style top or blouse, or name the neckline or the collar, things like that. There is a color terms worksheet to fill out. It looks kind of like a quiz, but it will be graded in points as a worksheet. You have a painting assignment. You'll get out your acrylic paints. You can only use red, yellow, and blue to mix all the other colors on the color wheel. Then with the value scale, you will add either a little bit of white or a tiny, tiny little bit of black to darken it or white to lighten it, and provide a value scale per one of the colors from your color wheel. The layout sheets for these were included in your color or kit packet. There's a clear sleeve and should be labeled FD101. You will also received in your kit a bag of white fabric swatches that are all silk. It's the bag of swatches that are all the exact same kind of fabric. It should also have a sticker on it that says FD101 Silk Dye Project. And then 3 dyes, red, yellow, and blue. You will mix that up. There is a recipe for how to mix it up. Please make sure that you put out a table covering wherever you're going to work. You have paper towels on hand. You will need about 12 disposable cups. Styrofoam or clear cups work great. You'll want a black marker to be able to mark on the outside of the cups. Sometimes when you start mixing your blues and reds to get purples, it seems to be pretty dark, so it's kind of tough to make sure that you keep it labeled to which one is which. and then follow the instructions on that project and see how that comes out. It's kind of a fun one. And then you will also conduct a personal color analysis. You're provided a roll of what we call color collars, and you will test that out. It's great to have a very honest friend or family member do this project with you so that they can give you feedback on how that color works or doesn't work with your skin tones, and how different ones are going to make you look great. It'll make your skin glow, and you want to record the ones that you look good on you and even jot down the ones that don't look so great on you. There's a little video on there, kind of get you started on it, but then you'll carry through with completing that. And then when you are all done with that, if you do not intend to use those color collars again, we would request that you return them to the school. And I guess that was it that I had for you this week. It may seem like a lot. Just plan your time, work on your stuff each night throughout the week, and then it won't be too overwhelming come the weekend. If you have any questions, please be sure to call me or email me. mwamigo@clarysagecollege.com is my email address. I can be reached at my office phone, 918-298-8200. I'm at extension 1065, and I am free after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You all have a great week. Thank you.